When the morning sun begins to rise, truth awakens in every sky. Not a religion born from fear, but a timeless path forever near.
Every soul is made of light, beyond all color, race, or fight. The universe sings one sacred sound, where love and peace are always found.
Open your heart, let wisdom flow. There's more to life than what we know.
Sanatan Dharma, eternal flame, one truth, one love, forever the same. From every mountain to every sea, the soul is born to live free.
Peace in the heart, kindness in hand. Together we rise, together we stand.
Sanatan Dharma, shining bright, guiding the world with endless light.
Every river finds the sea, just like every soul seeks harmony. No hate, no walls, no endless war. Love is what we're living for.
The earth's our mother, skies our home. We're never truly alone. Respect all life, let compassion grow. That's the greatest path we'll know.
Truth is timeless, it never fades. Beyond the borders that humans made. Different roads, one destiny, united in humanity. Sanatan Dharma, eternal flame, a light that shines in every name. From India to the USA, let peace and wisdom lead the way. One earth, one family.